Welcome back to my channel, All Things Essential. All Things Essential. Okay, ouch. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am doing a makeup look today. Yay! I know my last two videos or my last three videos did not consist of a makeup look, so I owe this to y'all. Okay, I'm going to be creating this purple look today with a little glitter, different types of purple. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment on this video. Make sure you watch from the beginning till the end, okay, so you can support me, put me on so I can put you on. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and get right into the video.
I already did this eye on camera, and I'm about to wing this one. What dropped?
Let's get started with that Crayon Case palette, the Matted Book palette. I'm taking that purple that I just pointed out, and I'm taking it to the crease of my eyelid. And ladies, don't forget, if you don't have this Matted Book palette or any palettes that I use what you got. Don't feel like you have to go out and get the palette just to get this look. Just use the colors that you have at home to reciprocate this look. In that same palette, I'm taking this pink and I'm going to put that on the outer of my lid. Hey, I was turning up. I don't know what I was listening to though. I never cut my crease on camera. I normally cut it off, but I was surprised that I did pretty good. So make sure you're focusing when you do this cut crease. A cut crease needs a lot of attention, so I'm still trying to perfect my cut crease. Like I said, I'm so shocked that this actually turned out really good while I did it on camera. So yeah, watch me cut this crease. Also, you'll notice in most of my makeup videos, I use my fingers to blend. Do not be afraid to use your fingers because my fingers are my best tool. It's small enough to get right into the eyelid and blend. So don't be afraid to use those fingers. Just make sure they're clean, of course. In that same palette, I'm going to take the darkest purple and I'm going to put that in the corner of my eyelid. I want to get this as dark as I can because I want it to transition with the other purples. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm patting that color in the corner of my eyelid. This purple is also, all of these colors are out of the Crayon Case Matted Book palette. Like I said, if you don't have this palette, you can use what you have. You can still achieve this look. I'm just patting these colors in so they can give it a little bit pop. And these colors are so pigmented. So I love this. I love Super brand, and you're gonna see that I use her palette a lot. I have 2 of her palettes, so you're gonna see that I use her palettes a lot. So yes, it's looking cute. Doing a wing, a little wing. I don't want to take away from the actual work that I did here, so I'm just gonna do a little wing. This glitter actually came from Amazon. It came in a pack, a variety of glitters. I don't know the name of it, but yes, you can take any glitter that you have and put that in the crease of your lid, kind of like where you cut the crease at. I'm just blending that in a little bit more, wiping that fallout away. Yes, Fenty, call me if you see this, okay? I'm gonna take that Fenty Beauty and I'm gonna put that all over my face. That's the Fenty foundation. I do not know what my shade is. I got this matched at Sephora. It may look a little dark on my skin, but wait until I put it all together. And I typically get darker in the summertime anyway, so this foundation is a plus for me. And I think I got matched during the summer, so I kind of like stuck with this foundation. So yes, I'm gonna take that Fenty and I'm patting it into my skin. It's so good at laying. You only need 1 layer of this. Like, you don't need to pile this up on your face. Like, they make it so you only need one layer. You don't have to do all the extra stuff. Taking that Sephora concealer in the shade Bright Future, and I'm putting that under my eye, concealing my face, under my eye, on my chin, on my forehead, and I'm gonna put a little bit on the bridge of my nose to contour it so everything can look snatched. Taking my Fenty concealer stick and I'm contouring my face. Yes, I love this stick. It's so creamy. Definitely check these sticks out. Definitely check the whole line out. Fenty, she did that. Riri, you did that, sis. Yes, we're about to bake it up. Make sure this is essential. Like, you need this, especially if you're gonna go out all night partying, dancing. You need to set that makeup, girl. Now, here's the thing with the baking powder. You either can brush it away, the residue away, so you won't look like a ghost, or you can pat it into your skin. But you have to make sure this is blended because you don't want any flashback and you don't want to be looking like Casper. So take note. I also don't want lines in my face, like where you saw me contour my face, where you saw me put the setting powder. So I'm brushing those lines away so all of this stuff would blend in. And that's what you see me doing here, is making sure that the lines of contouring is gone and everything is blended, putting a little blush on my cheeks. And then I'm going to finish it all with some highlights. You gotta highlight it, girl. Yes. You beaming, sis. Yes, set it off in this motherfucker. Set it off. My click off. Y'all. So y'all know what I do. I gotta set that makeup with some setting spray. Yes, turn up, girl. Whoa. Yes, lashes on fleek. I'm gonna line my lip with these brown that I got from Sephora. And then I'm gonna use this lipstick or this lip gloss that I got from my local beauty supply store. Don't know the name of it, but I love the color and it did turn out really good. So yes, make sure y'all try stuff that's from y'all local beauty supply store and drugstore, because sometimes you like this lipstick. I was like, yes, this is what I've been looking for. So make sure y'all try it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys give me some feedback down below in the comments. Yo, tell your friends to tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? Make sure you follow me on social media. All my social media handles are below. Definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram, because that's where I post all of my pictures, my videos, and what's going on and how you can keep up with me, okay? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.